Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add Yahoo to Hotmail account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Hotmail account. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon, Hotmail. Click on your profile icon, it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on add an account. And the next thing you need to do is to simply enter your Yahoo Mail address right here. So I'm going to simply click on here and type in my Yahoo Mail username. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on continue. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on next right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here, I'm not a robot. Then you have to select every angle that match motorcycle. Then click on verify. Then click on continue. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to enter my login password right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on next. Then you have to select the option for your verification account. So I'm going to simply click on my mail right here. And I have to head over to my mail and look for the verification code. So here's my Gmail account. I need to simply refresh and we have Yahoo verification code right here. So I'm going to simply click and hold down. Then I will copy the code. Then I will go back to my Hotmail. I'll click and hold down, paste the code right here, and then I will click on stay, verify. Then I'll click on next. And the next thing I'm going to do here is to simply click on agree. So my Yahoo Mail has been successfully linked to my Hotmail, as you can see right here. Now I can simply check my Yahoo Mail right here, the same way I check my Hotmail detail. It's as simple as that. So you can see my Yahoo Mail inbox right here. So I can simply go back and switch back to my Hotmail right here. If I want to go back to my Hotmail, I simply click on here and I click on inbox, and you can read your mail right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to add your Yahoo Mail to Hotmail account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.